Hi guys, today I'll be showing you guys my desk and also how I organize my stationeries. So let's go. My desk is an L shape, so I'll be starting from the right and slowly to the left. The first item is the Snoopy Basket, where I put big clips of different cartoon characters. I display my Crayola super tips like that, so I'll be reminded to use them often. These are the notepads that I want to finish up quickly, or those that I often use. There are also sticky notes and blank cards that I use to write something for my Etsy buyers. Place a memo pad conveniently so I can reach out to it whenever I need to write a quick note. My top right hand wall is filled with Toy Story decorations. The square prints are printed out by myself, and I painted that alien. When I got that shelf for my washi tapes, I thought that I would never fill it up, but now I regret not getting a bigger one. I love the Molly figurines from Pop Mart on the shelf because they are in occupation outfits that are often associated with men. I swatch my washi tapes like this so I can refer to them easily and decide what I mean. The coasters are souvenir and gifts from overseas, so I made it a point to utilize them. I display many Toy Story collectibles on the table. It always makes me happy when I see them. Bunny and Ducky are my favorite characters from Toy Story 4. Moving on to the center, I decorated the wall with cutouts from an old magazine. My not so aesthetic charging point with the Google Nest Hub. And now we're moving on to the left. I reused my sister's old floppy disk to decorate the wall. This is how I store most of my pens. These are cute baskets that I use to store stationeries that I use frequently, like the mount liners, basic stickers, sticky tape, and some pen sets. Here are more stationeries like paper clips, decorative tapes, and dot liner sticky tapes. This is my Peanuts corner. Here are the thin washi tapes. And some really random containers. If I have to pick my favorite thing from my overcrowded table, this will be it. It is a Polly Pocket-like Snoopy toy, and this diner design is my first choice from the blind box designs. I painted and make over a Daiso wooden drawer to make it Snoopy related. And here's where I place my ongoing journals. I got these boxes to store stuffs like notepads, postcards, sticky notes, etc. I labeled them accordingly to avoid confusion. I tried to categorize my stickers into different folders. This one has the characters and animals. And this one has the Daiso ones, and those I got from Japan. There are also folders for sticker flicks, and I find it really convenient. And these are the stickers from Korean brands. And lastly, this is where I put my A5 refills, my old journals, and also other paper supplies. The biggest point that I keep in mind when organizing my stationery is to always put the supplies that you want to use often within your convenient reach. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Bye!